Good evening. Rains and flooding are likely to continue overnight in much of the Republic. More than a foot of rain has fallen in the last 36 hours. USFK Chief of Staff Major General James Taylor has directed that minimum manning operations continue through tomorrow. Storm-affected activities throughout Korea will remain closed or on minimum manning through tomorrow. Personnel should check with their organization to determine their duty status before attempting to report for duty. Affected personnel will not be charged leave or lose pay because of the absence. Flooding and continued rain has wreaked havoc on the northern half of the peninsula, and the situation will get worse before it gets better. Master Sergeant Paul Walsh has the latest weather picture, and how much longer is this all going to last?
Well, it looks like the rain's going to last for quite a while. One thing of good news, though, it looks like that frontal boundary in that area of real heavy rain has started to shift to the south. So for us here in Seoul and areas to the northwest, I think the worst has pretty much passed. Taking a look at the satellite picture, this picture actually is from a little bit earlier this evening. You can see the way the frontal boundary is laying over the northern part of the nation and southwestern to the Yellow Sea. Currently, that system or the frontal system itself is pushing to the southeast, so that narrow band of real heavy precipitation is actually pushed to the southeast, and the rain is actually almost stopped here in Seoul. Overnight, I expect Seoul northwestward through the western quarter area. We're going to continue to pick up the light rain, but the real heavy rain has shifted to the south, and it looks like the central part of the nation will continue to have from a chance of 4 to 6 inches of rain, with some isolated areas picking up even more. So the real heavy stuff really isn't over with yet. So Gary, it looks like overnight tonight we're still going to be seeing some heavy rain for the central part of the nation, though here in the north it looks like we're going to see a bit of a break. So unfortunately, the flooding conditions really, it's really hard to say. There's a lot of other factors involved besides just the rainfall, but the slacking off of the rain up here anyway it's certainly not going to hurt anything.
Okay, it's a good sign.
Right.
Thanks. Earlier this evening, the two Korean television networks KBS and MBC reported that 5 dams east and northeast of Seoul began releasing water as a safety precaution. The dams are located near Camp Page, which received more than 15 inches of rain during the last 36 hours. The water from the dams is expected to flow down the Han River